French President Emmanuel Macron says the government will take strong action against the attackers of a Jewish burial area in eastern France. Pakistan's Prime Minister warns his country will react quickly if India takes military action against Pakistan for the bomb attack last week in Indian-controlled Kashmir. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps says it has arrested militants linked to a bombing last week in southeastern Iran. The attack killed 27 guards. And hundreds gather to celebrate the Lantern Festival in New Taipei City to mark the Year of the Pig.